Hey friends, how are you guys doing? And that's how most people all over the world greet each other, right? Wrong! In Singapore, we do not have a culture. So when I went to UK and someone asked me, how am I doing? I will reply with a long Mother Goose story. Anyway, let's talk risk, how safe is safe, and let's talk losing money. I see smart people commenting in a very logical way that I'm a big risk taker. I'll play you a clip from my podcast on cafe money.
How do you rapidly become retired over time, right? Is it through pennies and like passive portfolio income and all that?
10x or go home.
10x or go home. Meaning you take big bets hoping your investments will 10 times. 100,000 turns into a million or a million turns into 10 million. Taking such bets sounds risky, I get it. So in this video, I want to address this issue in detail and you decide if it's reckless. If you have a point, please share. I'm all ears and I read constructive feedback. The first point I want to bring across is what are your goals? Everybody is different. From timeline to expenses a month to lifestyle choices or situations you are in. I'll share my own experience. I'm just being realistic. Let's say if you have 100,000, it's a lot of money. You spend so much years to save up that amount of money. It's a logical choice for you to invest safe. Most probably you go invest in something that returns 3% to 10% a year over the next 10 years. 3% is not life-changing money. 10% is also not life-changing money. Realistically, it's not going to change your life. And it brings me back to ask, why did I invest in the first place? Imagine within 10 years, if I can 10x my money, that's life-changing money, even for you. That's like 25% a year over 10 years. Is it easy? No. Is it hard? Definitely no. Let's talk about risk in two different parts. Is investing in very safe stuff safe? The traditional advice you get is investing in established companies. It's confirmed safe. Like, I don't know, Walmart, Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, or REITs is like a safer choice. While I do agree it's safer and sudden shocks are definitely less, you will definitely feel better. But you can't deny disruption risk. Once it comes, I'm really not sure if you are able to react in time. Commercial REITs, in my opinion, there's no going back. And if you look at traditional auto, they're forced to absorb tons of losses while giving dividends, while trying to electrify their entire fleet. The amount of losses they're taking up is piling up. Most companies will fail over time. In 1965, the average tenure of a company on the S&P 500 was 33 years. By 1990, it was 20 years. And it's forecast to shrink by 14 years by 2026. About 50% of the S&P 500 will be replaced in the next 10 years. Oh my. So risk levels part 2. I hope you understand that investing, there will be losses. The best of the best investors will have losses. So what do? We simplify maths and probability. Lucky my maths teacher was hot, so I paid attention. Let's have 3 assumptions. Number 1, losses are definite. Number 2, more than 50% probability you will have more losing trades than winning trades. And number 3, if you lose 50% of your money, you will need to make 100% to break even. Think about the maths. Investing is a setup disaster for most people. So how do you win at this kind of odds? Risk to reward ratios. For every $1 risk I take on, I need to make back at least $3. I can have 2 losses and 1 win. I'll still be making money. Let's say out of 10 trades, I lose 7. It's $7 gone, but the remaining 3 trades is still a $9 gain and net profit of $2. I can go much deeper, but I need to find a hot maths teacher to teach you, else you will fall asleep. So this is why I spend so much time digging and searching for the next 10x. Does it sound risky? Yeah, to most, but To me, if I do not find the next 10x, it's even riskier. I put big bets on strong fundamentals, and it's something no bloody calculator that some donkey sells you online can do. I need to sit on my investment thesis for a long time, feel it, sense it, and connecting all the dots to make that move. Else, I'll be like some idiots that tell you weekly to buy this stock, or 5x, 10x this stock, or this stock of crypto to 100,000 and put that thumbnail. This will get me a lot of subscribers, but I really cannot bring myself to do it. Wrapping up, I hope you get a clearer picture on how I invest and why I think it's riskier to invest with a traditional mindset. Things can change quickly, so I always share my latest thoughts here. Whatever I thought last year may not be relevant now. Hopefully you can connect your own dots. Hope this video shed some light, gave you some sparks. I appreciate your thumbs up. It also helps a lot in my causes. And as always, invest safe.